Swissquote isn't just a broker, it's a Swiss bank. That instantly makes it feel more secure than most, but once you get past the reputation, the real question is simple. Is it actually worth the price? Well, that's what we tested. Hi, I'm Andy from FXEmpire.com, and after more than 15 years of reviewing brokers, our team knows how to cut through the marketing and focus on what really matters: hidden costs, platform quality, and how a broker holds up once you start trading. In this review, we'll keep it practical. Can you really trust Swissquote with your money? Do their fees and spreads justify the Swiss bank premium? And do the platforms and markets fit the way you trade? By the end, you'll know exactly if Swissquote is a good choice for you or if you're better off looking elsewhere. Alright, let's start with the trust and check if that extra sense of safety really holds up. Swissquote was founded about 30 years ago in Geneva, Switzerland. They operate through 9 entities. They're publicly listed on the SIX Swiss exchange and have close to 1,500 employees globally. So you're not dealing with a small broker here. Swissquote operates as a regulated bank. And speaking of regulations, Swissquote is licensed by some of the most respected authorities out there. All 9 entities are regulated by top-tier regulators across 4 continents. That includes Switzerland, the UK, Luxembourg, Cyprus, Malta, Hong Kong, Singapore, Dubai, and South Africa. For a retail broker, that level of regulatory reach is pretty impressive. So what does this actually mean for you as a trader? It means there are real layers of protection. Client funds are held in segregated accounts across all entities, so your money is kept separate from Swissquote's operating funds. And in 6 out of 9 entities, you also get negative balance protection, so your account shouldn't drop below zero if the market moves sharply against you. Compensation coverage depends on the entity you sign up with. For example, coverage can be up to 100,000 francs in Switzerland, 100,000 euros in Luxembourg, 120,000 pounds in the UK, and 20,000 euros in Cyprus and Malta. Bottom line, Swissquote isn't just a regulated broker, it's a publicly traded bank with 3 decades of history. We gave them a perfect 5 out of 5 for trust. Now let's get to what most traders really want to know. How much does it actually cost to trade with Swissquote? Swissquote offers 3 retail trading accounts: Standard, Premium, and Prime. All of them are spread-based and charge commissions on stocks. We tested spreads on the Standard account during the busiest hours of the London and New York sessions. So here's what we found. Spreads were above the industry average on almost every instrument we tested. The most striking example was gold. Spreads came in at more than twice the industry average. The one area where Swissquote looked competitive was US stock CFDs. Apple and Tesla both came in below the industry benchmark. Plus, Swissquote also charges a fixed commission for trading stocks. We found it to be higher compared to the industry average. Now, it's worth putting that in context. The Standard account is the entry-level tier. If you move up to Premium with a $10,000 minimum deposit, spreads drop noticeably, and the Prime account with a $50,000 minimum tightens them further. So, better pricing is available, just not at the entry level. We also checked the swap rates. Overnight fees turned out to be in line with the industry average, and on many instruments, they were actually better than average. On the non-trading side, there's an inactivity fee of 10 base currency units per month after 6 months. And Swissquote also charges a handling fee for deposits and withdrawals made by credit or debit card. So the takeaway is simple. Swissquote is one of the pricier options for retail traders, especially on the Standard account. Considering that, we gave them 2.6 out of 5 in the fees category. Now that we've covered the costs, let's look at the platforms and tools they offer. Swissquote gives you 4 options: their proprietary CFXD platform, MT4, MT5, and since April 2025, Direct Trading View integration. That is a strong lineup. CFXD WebTrader is a well-rounded platform with strong charting and a clean, user-friendly layout. We also filmed a full walkthrough of it, so you'll see that in action in just a few moments. The TradingView integration is a real upgrade. You can connect your CFXD account to TradingView and place orders directly from the platform, so you get TradingView's full toolkit and community combined with Swissquote's execution speed. And for high-volume traders, Swissquote also offers fixed API access, which can connect you more directly for tighter pricing and faster execution. One thing to keep in mind though, expert advisors aren't supported on CFXD, so for automation you'll need MT4 or MT5. Same goes for features like depth of market. Now let's jump into the CFXD walkthrough. First, let's take a look at Swissquote's CFXD web platform. Right away, this layout is pretty clean. You have some instruments on the left-hand side, charts on the right, and the trading window at the bottom. If you click the magnifying glass up here, you can search for markets and add them to your watch list. And you've got a lot to choose from. Major and exotic Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and stock CFDs. So there is a good range of asset classes here. One of the most interesting features is these little green icons in the instrument list. If you hover over one, you'll see that it says trade setups. For example, let's go down to US dollar yen, and you can see there's number 4 next to it. If I click on that, it opens built-in trade ideas and chart setups powered by AutoChartist. This is super helpful if you're still learning technical analysis, and also useful if you just want to spot potential opportunities faster. You can click through the patterns, see what's forming, and you can also simply open up a trade directly from there. Now, the charts themselves are powered by TradingView, so you get a lot of functionality. You can switch between different time frames up here. You can add indicators, you can change the chart type, bars, candles, and many others. And on the left, you've got drawing tools. So adding things like trend lines and levels is quick. Placing a trade is simple. You've got buy and sell at the top of the chart. If I click buy, it opens the order ticket. From here, you can place a market order for immediate execution or set an advanced order using stop and limit price levels. You can also set your stop loss and take profit levels before you place the trade. And once it's open, you can see it down here in the bottom panel. And here you can manage it or close it out. One more thing worth showing is the AutoChartist tab up top. If I click into it, you get a full list of chart patterns and price setups across different instruments. And you can filter what you're seeing too, by probability, asset type, and pattern type. Overall, it is a really solid web platform. It's easy to navigate, the charting is strong, and the AutoChartist integration is a nice bonus, especially if you like technical setups. Now let's check out the Swissquote CFXD mobile app. Start in the watchlist tab. Up top, you can use the magnifying glass to search through all the available markets and build your own watch list. You can also tap a category and use the star icon to add an instrument to your favorites. There's a good range of markets here, including spot and forward currency pairs. And you'll see plenty of exotic pairs in the list. If you tap on a pair, let's use US dollar yen, it opens the chart. From here, you can switch between different time frames. You can add indicators, and you can also change the chart type like candlesticks, bars, or a line chart. Here we have the AutoChartist feature, which is fantastic. It highlights potential trade setups based on chart and price action patterns for the instruments that you're viewing. That is a nice extra to have on mobile. Placing a trade's easy. Tap buy or sell at the top and it opens the trade ticket. From here, you can choose different order types: market, stop, limit, and OCO orders. You can also get your stop loss and take profit levels. Enter your trade size and then tap confirm to place the order. Once you're in a trade, you can manage everything from the positions tab. That's where you'll see the open trades, and you can edit or close them from here too. And if you want more setup ideas, there's also an AutoChartist tab in the bottom right corner. This shows trade setups developing on different markets. And you have filters here at the top so that you can narrow results by direction, time frame, probability and quality, asset class, and pattern type, including chart patterns, key level patterns, and Fibonacci patterns. Overall, the Swissquote mobile app feels really feature-packed. It lets you do basic technical analysis, and it also helps you stay on top of new chart and price action patterns as they develop across different instruments. All in all, the lineup here is strong, and CFXD is one of the more capable in-house platforms we've tested. We gave Swissquote 4.9 out of 5 in this category. Finally, does Swissquote actually give you enough markets to trade? It's fair to say there is something for almost everyone here. On the CFD side, you get more than 450 instruments across Forex, commodities, shares, indices, and crypto. Forex pairs and commodities are both well above what we typically see. The one clear gap is crypto. There are only 2 options: Bitcoin and Ethereum. But where Swissquote really stands apart is beyond CFDs. You get access to over 4 million trading and investing products, real stocks, ETFs, funds, options, futures, and bonds, alongside the CFD offering. We haven't seen another broker come close to that scale. So if you want to combine active CFD trading with long-term investing in one place, Swissquote is one of the strongest options out there. Swissquote scored a perfect 5 out of 5 for tradable instruments. Before we get into the final verdict, I want to ask you something. When you're choosing a broker, what matters most to you? The level of regulation and safety, or the trading costs? Drop it in the comments, and if you're already trading with Swissquote, I would love to hear what your experience has been like. So, the big question, is Swissquote the right broker for you? Let's quickly run through the key pros and cons. On the plus side, Swissquote is in a different category on trust. It's not just a broker, it is a licensed bank, publicly traded in Switzerland and regulated across 9 countries. The CFXD platform is a genuine step above most proprietary platforms. You get trading view charts built in, auto chartist signals, advanced order types like OCO and if done, and fixed API access. So it is built for traders who want more than a basic MetaTrader setup. Execution is another standout. In our testing, we saw an average of around 9 milliseconds versus a more typical 60 milliseconds with a 98% fill rate. This really matters for scalpers and news traders. And if you want both active CFD trading and long-term investing in one place, Swissquote is hard to beat. They offer more than 450 CFDs plus access to 4 million investing products. On the downside, cost is the honest issue. On the standard account, spreads on many instruments we tested, Forex, gold, indices, and cryptos were above the industry average. If you're trading on a limited budget, the entry-level account will feel expensive. The $1,000 minimum deposit is also a high barrier. The industry average is closer to $100. And while tighter spreads are available at the premium and prime levels, those start at $10,000 and $50,000. So with all that in mind, who is Swissquote best suited for? If you're a news trader, Swissquote is a strong match. Auto chartist signals, deep liquidity, and very fast execution can really help when markets move quickly. If you're scalping, the infrastructure is there. Low latency execution, DMA style access, and fixed API. Just keep in mind you'll likely want the premium or prime tier to get pricing tight enough for scalping to work. For algo traders, it's a credible setup too. You can run EAs on MT4, MT5, and fixed API is available for more advanced workflows. Just note the automation isn't on CFXD itself. If you want to mix CFD trading with real investing, Swissquote is one of the few brokers that really lets you do that in one place. The 4 million product lineup is a big advantage here. For beginners, you can start here, but the $1,000 minimum deposit is a real barrier. The education and research quality is excellent, but there are more budget-friendly brokers for traders who are still building their account. And for more casual traders, Swissquote is harder to justify. Above average spreads on the entry tier, plus fees like inactivity and card handling can add up if you're not trading often. Swissquote scored 4.3 out of 5 overall. It is a premium bank-backed broker with excellent infrastructure. Great if you're actually using those advantages and expensive if you won't. Interested in giving them a go? Just click the link in the description or in the top right-hand corner. It will take you to the best offer available in your region. And if this review helped, hit like and subscribe. We post in-depth broker breakdowns like this all the time. Also, if low costs are your main priority, watch our video on the best brokers with the lowest spreads next.